Welcome, today in front of me Realme C33 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, hold for a while your device home screen and then click to the widgets icon. After that, we can see here all of the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, we can see that the calendar application has two different types of the widgets, the calendar schedule and the month view. For example, let's add the schedule. Just to add the widget, we should hold it and just drag it to the home screen. If you want to resize the widget, you should just hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, that's so simple. Just to move the widget on the screen or between the screens, or just to create a new screen with the widgets, we should hold it and just drag it. And to remove it from the home screen, we should hold it and drag to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.